Hello, thank you for tuning in today. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope that you'll stick around. So for today's project, I am going to assemble this cute little cube drawer set that I bought off of Amazon. It's packaged very well. They did a great job with the packaging and making sure it got here without getting damaged. They even put these little black corners on here so that the corners wouldn't get damaged for the top piece. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the first leg on. You want to make sure that they are all facing the same direction as you put them on. And I'm going to use an Allen wrench that was provided in the box to put these on. I actually just grabbed the wrong screws here, so I switched to the shorter screws that were supposed to go into these parts. Now I am moving on to the center pieces that hold the drawers in, and you want to make sure that the glider part that holds the drawer in, again, is facing the same direction as the legs. That way you don't have any problems trying to get your drawers in later. Two for the top and one for the bottom. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the bars on to start assembling the bottom portion for the dresser, I guess is what we'll call it. We're putting this together upside down, so the top is on the floor right now. Just have to secure these screws in to make sure that our dividers don't come out. I am now adding on the bottom legs of the dresser. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying this content, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see future content. Tapping the bell icon and selecting all will ensure that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I'm going to next, after I screw these in tight, going to add the center piece, the final center piece for the drawer dividers. Again, you want to make sure that you are putting this in the same direction as the others. There is a little wall on the back rail that holds the drawer into the dresser so it doesn't fall out the back. So you just want to make sure those are all facing the same direction. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the feet on. All right, that's all finished. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these drawers in. These drawers are foldable, which is really nice. If you need to pack them up and move or anything, it makes it a little easier. They come with this little board that helps to hold them open, and you just put it in the bottom like that. And here is our first drawer. So there's 5 drawers. I'm going to go ahead and put these all together just the way that I just showed you. And now all we have left to do is add the handles onto the drawer. They are provided. This is the handles they provided for us. And here is the finished set of drawers in there. And here we have it. It is all finished now. It looks great. I love it. It's sturdy. No wobbling, and the drawers slide in and out nicely. I am overall very happy with this product. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to this channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even share this video with your friends. I'll see you on the next one.